Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to write in a circle here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Writing text in a circle in Canva is very easy and can add a creative flair to your designs. Once you are logged into your account here in Canva, I want you to open the existing project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click the create a design to start from scratch, or maybe choose any of the templates here from business, social media, education, video marketing, or print products. Now, in my case, I'm going to start from a blank canvas. Go to click on the upload section. All right. Now here, I'm gonna go to the video because I'm gonna create like an interactive design. And I'm going to add in shape on the left side panel. Go to elements and click on shapes. Obviously, we're choosing the circle. All right. Now, for you to be able to write a text here in a circle in Canva, all you're going to do is right click or double click on the shape. But what happens is there's going to be a line, an active cursor. You see that? I'm going to do that again. So right now it's nothing. But if you double click, there's going to be an active cursor. And if you want to type in, for example, you see that? Of course, you can be creative and make it a little bit bigger. Make it maybe like 20. Make it a little bit bigger. You can add in another design if you wanted. All right. But if you wanted to add a kind of a different text, I'm going to group them together. All right. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller right here. I'm going to add another circle. Go to the shape section. Design, shape. This time around, I'm going to maybe choose a different color for this one. Say, for example, no color, but I'm going to choose the border. You see that? All right, so we're going to add another text here. In this case, I'm going to the text again, but I'm going to choose a different section or a different style. Maybe I'm going to choose this one, soft shadow. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, maybe around 50. And similarly, write text in circle. I'm gonna, of course, drag it inside the circle right here. Okay, so these are some of the options that you can do. Alternatively, you can also go to the effects section. I'm gonna close this one so you guys can see it. Effects, go to the curve, right? So it's a little bit circular right here. Make it smaller, right? And then I'm going to copy that and I'm going to rotate it so it's like inside the text here, right? Now I'm going to click on play to see if the elements blends perfectly well to my design. All right. Now I'm gonna close it. And from here, if you want to download that, you can do so by clicking download, select an MP4, and if you want to share this to your client, just click on the copy link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.